Looking to attain renovations and adventures today. Exciting day. We've been waiting all day for delivery of this oven. They said, oh, we're coming in the morning. And they turn up nearly at night time. But that's Italy. You've got to get used to it. So if you're going to move to Italy, get used to it. If I say the morning, it's going to be the afternoon. It's beautiful. We're doing the 3 kilo chicken tonight. And roast potatoes. And we've got some peas. So it's pretty cool, I reckon. So it's worth the wait. We missed out on doing a bit of work today. We had a bit of consulting on the kitchen. We've got to raise it 30 centimetres. So that's tomorrow's video. We haven't posted much today. The house is looking beautiful. We just put up a whole new lot of curtains. So it's not a bit of a transformation, our house. Mr. Meow's getting better. Thank you very much. Thanks for all your subscribed, likes and everything. It's been fantastic. And slowly. So this is our kitchen. If you saw the previous video, that kitchen there, we picked up second hand. And Donna used Bianco Shabby chalk paint to do the kitchen. And it looks fantastic. And beautiful marble benches, which we picked up in Jizzy locally. Beautiful. So anyway, we'll leave you today. Thank you very much for watching, subscribing. There is Rocco and Chanel playing like usual. We've got the fire going tonight because it is going to get cold. And got some exciting news coming up next week. But we'll leave that for another day. It's very exciting. So don't forget to keep watching, keep tuning in, liking, subscribing, and share with your friends. But most of all, to keep the algorithm going, leave us a comment on what you would like to see in future videos. Because we actually don't know sometimes what to film and what you're interested in. So just leave us a comment and tell us what you're interested in. It'll make a big difference. That's going to be a later project. We're going to do the fireplace. We're going to regenerate. We're going to do the whole wall in tiles right up to the top. And then we're going to do the surrounding. And then we're going to raise the fireplace with granite and put a whole new surrounding inside. So that's going to be a project coming up. But apart from that, thank you very much, and we'll see you tomorrow.